it's me, your lady for this video. And I'm just so happy to be here as I love discovering new things and sharing it with people who love science as much as I do. Now I would like to encourage all of you to join me on this experiment, on this Chemtastic day, and I promise that by the end of this video, you and I will both learn from each other and have a blast. But before that, let me introduce myself first. I am your CheMaster Abby, and in this video, we will take an adventure on one of the main properties of solid, the melting point. Melting is a process of transforming a solid state into a liquid one when applied with heat, in which the hotter the temperature is, the faster a substance melts. In other words, how fast an object melts is directly proportional to the degree of the temperature applied to it. So, in conducting this experiment, we will only be needing the following materials. First is a 3 empty container. Second is a tablespoon of sugar. Third is a tablespoon of salt. And last but not least, the most important material is the ice. And after this experiment, we will be able to conclude which is faster in melting an ice at a room temperature. Is it the salt or the sugar? Are you ready? Awesome! So let's get started. To start, we will place 2 cubes of ice on each container. Then, on the first container, we will scoop a tablespoon of sugar and put it on the cup. On the second container, we are also going to scoop a tablespoon of salt and put it on the cup. And on the third container, we will not put anything on it as it will be our basis if the sugar and salt has an effect on how the ice melts. Once these are done, we will set a timer and check which melts the ice faster. Alright, the clock is up and the result is very obvious. And from this observation, we can clearly say that in the battle of who melts the ice faster, the winner is, drumroll please, the salt. Isn't it amazing? Well, you might be wondering why. Well, that's because salt has 6 times more molecules than sugar. Further, with salt, you only need 58 grams to make 1 mole, whereas with sugar, you will need 342 grams. And according to studies, the greater the molar mass of a substance, the greater its melting point is. And with this, we can say that salt melts the ice faster because it has more molar mass. Now you know! Wow! This has been a fun and a fantastic experience experimenting with you. I hope you enjoyed as well, and maybe, if you just wish, we can do more wild and awesome experiments. Again, this is your CheMaster Abby, living a quote: though ice melts faster with salt than sugar, I melt faster with the sweetness of your smile.